Hey, what's up everybody? It's Mace, and I'm here with a new unboxing series, and this is for unboxing of UFO books. Now that I know that Wikipedia, most of those pages are run by the guerrilla skeptics, led by Susan Gerbic, who is a J.C. Penney's photographer, and then I can't really trust some of the information on that, so I figured I'd pick up some books and hopefully pick up some better facts and everything from my videos. So first book that I bought was the big book of UFO facts. Figures and Truth. And this is a comprehensive edition by this guy and William Burns, who also did the UFO magazine from 2004. Encyclopedia that I also ordered. It's the most comprehensive guide available. Latest on Roswell, 20 years of Project Blue Book. Has some things by year. Actually, it looks like that's what you should do to support family members who've been abducted, biblical passages that might describe UFOs or extraterrestrial, all the president's UFOs, Men in Black, cattle mutilations, why people think the moon landing was a hoax, Stephen King about aliens, and then just a bunch of stuff here. Popular culture and UFO phenomenon. So yeah, it looks like it's a pretty decent book overall. Anyway, hopefully it'll let me do some better videos and give me some more facts to include. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you do. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.